Hi, and welcome to our Glazed virtual summer camp. Today we're doing the elementary school age ice cream bowl. So let's have a look at what comes in your kit. You're gonna get your piece of pottery. It's a little ice cream cone and it comes with a spoon, some brushes, a bunch of different colors of paint, and you can pick out your own ice cream color if you have to comment in our notes. And don't forget to grab water and a napkin. You're also gonna find this fun little doodle challenge, which we're gonna start with today. So for today's doodle challenge, we're gonna create our own sundae. You can do any toppings, any kind of ice cream, just make them as crazy as you want. Now onto painting your ice cream bowl. When you start, you're gonna start with your light brown color. It's this little tan on the cone, and you wanna paint your cone first. Don't forget to do 3 layers and let it dry in between each layer. While you're waiting for your bowl to dry, you can paint the cone part on your spoon. Once the cone is dry on both your bowl and your spoon, you can then take whichever color you want to use for your ice cream. I did green because I like mint. And you're going to paint the whole inside of your bowl and the little drip outline on the outside. And then do the same thing on your spoon. Once you're done with your ice cream coat, make sure you do 3 of them. You want to move on to your darker brown to do your hot fudge. You're going to do the same thing. Do a little drip on the inside, and then on the outside, paint it so you can see just a little bit of your green or whatever ice cream color you're doing showing through. Make sure you do 3 coats of that as well. This is what your drip is gonna look like on the outside. You can see there's some green coming out from my ice cream, and then over the top is my hot fudge. So once your hot fudge is done, you have all 3 coats. You're gonna take your 3 colors for your sprinkles, and you just wanna do little dash marks all around the edge. You can put them wherever you want. You can put as many as you want, as little as you want. Kind of just have fun with it. And you want to do the same thing on your spoon. For the sprinkles, you're going to want to do them a little thicker than normal, still 3 coats, but the thickness is going to help show up on the dark. Because remember, we always tell you in the studio, light on top of dark doesn't normally work. But in this instance, if you go a little bit thicker, your sprinkles will show up once it's fired. Don't forget, once you're done painting and everything's dry, to put your name on the bottom. And you can also put a date so you remember when you did it. That's my favorite thing to do. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube page so you can keep up with all of our camp projects.